What's been going on here, Thomas?
Excuse me, sir.
What is it now, Lachey?
This accident wasn't done with the fault. I saw it all happen.
When the workman told the Fat Controller everything, he was very cross.
Reg? I'd like a word, please.
I'm so sorry, sir. I should have checked if the sighting was clear and not rushed.
Reginald, I know it was an accident, but I hope I'm repaired in time tomorrow. Otherwise, I'm going to miss out going and make poor Margaret sad.
Same here, Thomas. Right, Percy? Take him away.
Yes, sir. Oh, Thomas, I hope you're fixed quickly. I don't know what I'd do if you weren't with us in England.
Thanks, Percy. I hope I'm fixed in time too.